Let's learn sports vocabulary in English.
Football, also known as soccer, a team sport where two teams try to score goals by kicking a ball into the other team's net. Each team has 11 players, and only the goalkeeper can use their hands. The team with the most goals after two halves wins. Tennis, played between two or four players who use rackets to hit a ball over a net. Players score points by making the ball land in the opponent's court without being returned. A match is won by winning sets of games. Rugby, a team sport where players carry, pass, or kick an oval ball to score tries, similar to touchdowns, by grounding the ball in the opponent's zone. Tackling is allowed, but dangerous moves are not. Running, also known as track. Athletes race each other by running a certain distance, like 100 meters or a full lap around the track. The first person to cross the finish line wins. Swimming, a sport where people race in water using different strokes like freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, or butterfly. In races, swimmers compete to finish first by swimming the fastest within their lanes. Jump rope, a fun activity where a person or group jumps over a rope that is swung under their feet and over their heads. It can be done solo or in groups, and it helps improve coordination and fitness. There are no formal rules unless it's part of a competition. Weightlifting, a strength sport where athletes lift heavy weights in two main lifts, the snatch and the clean and jerk. The winner is the person who lifts the most weights in total, following proper technique. Boxing, a combat sport where two people wear gloves and try to land punches on each other while avoiding getting hit. The match is divided into rounds, and the boxer who wins more rounds or knocks out their opponent wins. Roller skating involves gliding on a flat surface using boots with wheels. It's mostly recreational, but in races or artistic performances, skaters are judged on speed or style. Safety gear is important. Baseball. Two teams take turns batting and fielding. The batting team tries to hit the ball and run around bases to score runs. The fielding team tries to get batters out by catching the ball or tagging them. The team with the most runs wins. Ice skating, a sport or recreational activity where people glide on ice using special boots with blades. It can be done for fun or as a performance sport, like figure skating. In non-competitive skating, there are no strict rules, just balance and fun. Hockey or ice hockey. Two teams of 6 players skate on ice and use sticks to hit a small puck into the opponent's goal. The team with the most goals wins. Players must not use their sticks to trip or hit others. Volleyball. Two teams are separated by a net and try to score points by hitting the ball over the net and making it land on the other team's court. Each team gets 3 touches to return the ball, and the first team to reach 25 points with at least a 2-point lead wins the set. Subscribe for more English lessons.